Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh here with Piano Marvel, and today I am super excited to be showing you how to hook up this device to Piano Marvel. So this is a Yamaha UD-BT01, and what it does is it allows you to connect to your iPad MIDI wirelessly. Now I have this crazy video set up so that I can record everything, so I'm not going to like show you that my iPad isn't connected because it's connected right now, but it's not connected with MIDI. And to show you that, I'm going to go in here to Piano Marvel, let it open up, and then I'm going to go to instrument settings, and you see there's no device connected, there's no MIDI device detected yet. So I need to connect a device, a piano, to this iPad, and I'm going to show you how to do that today with the UD-BT01, which is kind of a more difficult device to do it. So let me just first kind of give you a breakdown on if I was going to connect this iPad to the piano, what you would need to do is, now this Clavinova I have, there is a USB-B type connection port right over here. So I plug this into the piano, and then if I was, and I actually could do this right now. Let me just do this real quick. I told you I have my iPad plugged in, and it's so I can show you the screen. And you can see I just plugged in that other side, the USB-A side, into this piano, and you can see the Clavinova is detecting MIDI. Now, if I didn't want to have it plugged in like that, I'm going to unplug it. Now there's no MIDI device connected, okay? And you can see there's cables all over the place. For someone that's OCD like me, I don't want cables all over the place. I want to wirelessly connect. So you can see on one side of this UD-BT01, there is a female USB-A port. And the other side of that cable, that's again, a USB-B, this like square looking thing with two edges that are not square, making it square, but it's basically a square. That goes into the piano, and mine says USB to host, and most pianos have that vernacular. The other side of that cable is a USB-A, which is the rectangular deal. Okay, so I'm going to plug that into this Yamaha UD-BT01. Okay. Now, the other side of this Yamaha UD-BT01 has a male USB-A, and you can see this is just like an old school USB-A power brick, and there's so many different ones. It doesn't matter which one you use. Here's a JBL for a JBL speaker, whatever. Like whatever USB brick, preferably one you don't care about that you're not going to use for anything else, because kind of what you want to do with this, what I do, I should say, is I plug this brick in. Okay, so now the MIDI is now going from the piano into this UD-BT01. And to turn the UD-BT01 and to broadcast the Bluetooth signal, I just gotta plug this into power. So I'm gonna go right over here. You can't see it, but obviously I'm just gonna plug it in real quick. And now there's a light blinking. And now here's the magic. You ready? I press this scan for Bluetooth MIDI, and boop, UD-BT01 is now broadcasting a signal. The iPad has now grabbed onto it. I'm going to press next. And you see we are connected. So there you go. There's your crash course on how to connect to the UD-BT01. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. My email is josh@pianomarvel.com. Otherwise, I'll see you later. Thanks so much. Bye.